Hi Sanjog. I remember we discussed about this use case, but I just wanted to confirm what is expected behavior here. So, for example, if I have the group that I've selected is having the current logged in user. Um, okay, so this is the user, and if I assign task to me, that is to logged in user, it is getting updated immediately. So, are we supposed to have RTC here? So if we have RTC, then this should get highlighted in red, and in 1 minute it should refresh, or on refresh or expand and collapse it should populate the new task, but it is getting updated immediately. So yeah, so just wanted to confirm this. Thank you.